Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to allow Facebook to access your location. It's a simple process, but it can be a bit confusing if you're unfamiliar with the steps. So let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store. Simply open the Play Store app and type Facebook in the search bar. Look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it and then hit the Install button. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign into your account. Step 2. On the Facebook app home screen, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it, and it will open the side menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you reach the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, scroll down until you find the Your Activities section. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 5. Now, within the Your Activity section, tap on Device Permissions. Step 6. Among the available permissions, tap on Location. Step 7. You'll see an option to update the settings. Tap on it. Step 8. This will open your device settings specifically for app permissions. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Host. Step 9. Among the listed app permissions, look for Location and tap on it. Step 10. Finally, you'll see a few options related to location access. To allow Facebook to access your location while using the app, tap on Allow while using the app. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Facebook to access your location while using the app. Now Facebook can provide you with location-based features and recommendations. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.